I'm going to show you how to remove the back cover and the main board out of this Sony TV with model number XR-75X90J. We have 5 screws we need to remove, 4 for the wall mounts, and 1 below the power connector. Now, starting on the bottom left corner, I'm going to use a metal tool to pry the clips down here, and while putting pressure upwards at the same time, I'm then going to work my way through here. And once I get that first one, it should make it a little easier. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull away with my fingers like this and lift up. Slowly make my way up until I hit the corner. It looks like my clip down here reconnected, so we'll lift it away. All right. We'll do the same over here. And it looks like I might have broken that clip right here, so just be careful. Okay, we're working our way down on the lower part, all the way down to the right corner, just like that. Now we'll do the same thing using my tool. I'm going to get that first clip. And that should be enough for me to put my hands under it. And we'll lift up all the way to the top. All right, now if nothing clipped back in, I should be able to lift the cover now. And I didn't unclip anything at the top. I should be able to, okay. Okay, so now our cover is loose, but the top clips are not disconnected yet. So I'm going to try and work my way. So again, we're lifting away. So it looks like some of these have already unclipped. Okay, there we go. All right, and now the cover should lift off. We'll put that to the side. And next we can focus on our main board. Before we unscrew the main board, we'll remove the cables and ribbons. We have a little latch mechanism at the top, so I'm going to press in the center and wiggle out this cable. For this top ribbon, we're going to put pressure on this silver latch, and then we should be able to wiggle it out. Again, pressure on the center clip. I'll do that with my thumb, and we'll wiggle. For these 2 ribbons, we have 2 little black tabs here. We're going to press them down simultaneously, and then we'll wiggle out the ribbon. Again, silver tab, and then pressure in the center. Again, pressure on these 2 clips right here, and we'll wiggle out the ribbon. Pressure on the 2 clips, and we wiggle out. Next, we have our shroud. There are 2 plastic clips on the edges. We'll push them away from the board, and the shroud will come off. And finally, our screws. There are 2 thermal pads below the processors, so when I try to wiggle off the main board, there's going to be a little resistance, and you want to be gentle. You don't want to force it too much, otherwise you could break the board. These are the pads. I guess there are 6. Now, if you're interested in finding out exactly how we fix these circuit boards, you can check out this video next. Otherwise, if you want to send in this main board for us to fix, we offer flat rate services. Those are available on our website, and they come with a 1-year warranty. I'll have links to our website in the video description down below. Otherwise, if you found the video helpful or useful, leave us a like, subscribe for more content, and thank you for watching.